Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the screen rotation on your Motorola Razr Fold. If the fixed rotation isn't working properly on your Fold, make sure that you have enabled it both on the outside display and after you unfolded the phone, because we have different auto rotations in this two modes on these two displays. For example, we cannot rotate the main display, the home screen display in the default mode. We can only rotate display in the supported applications here. But if we unfold our device, we should be able to rotate both the supported applications and the home screen as well, although not in all directions, as you can see. So just try tilting your phone and check if this works, and if not, try restarting your sensors by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting restart on your smartphone screen, and wait until the device is restarted. When your phone is restarted, make sure that your auto rotation is still enabled and try using it once again. This time everything should work correctly, but if it's not, then go to your device's settings, scroll down to system updates and check for available updates by selecting check for update option. Also make sure that you are connected to the internet. And if you have an update to install, make sure to download and install it. But if you have the latest software version, that what you can do instead is go to system settings. Then in system settings, you're gonna have to select reset options. Try resetting device settings by selecting this option and entering your password. Then confirm and try restarting your device once again. And after that, the issue should be resolved. But if not, if your display auto rotation still isn't working when you enable it, then at this point you definitely should reach out to Motorola customer support service and notify them about this problem. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.